You feel that you don't fit into the world, that things are not what they seem, that perhaps there's a better way to do things, that perhaps what you were told by your parents or by the teachers is not really true. And what you're experiencing is an awareness of your greater self. Your inner genie is nudging you to harness your own inner power. Power so grand that with regular practice of the techniques I will teach you, you will literally be able to create what you need just by desiring it. And it will show up in your life. Whether it's money or romance, whether it's lunch because you're hungry right now, or a new home. Regular practice of the techniques I'll teach you opens the door to the outcomes that may seem miraculous, that may seem magical. But these outcomes are not magic. They are the result of conscious control of the mind, using your self-mind control. Self-mind control is the ability to focus your attention on whatever is of importance to you at the time and without distraction. It's about harnessing the power of mind to create what you need and desire at will. It is the power to connect with your intuition and use it reliably to guide you to create your life. Your conscious control of mind is the secret power that makes conscious manifestation easy. Stop living by the code of others and create your own conscious life, awakening the genie and the genius within you. Join me on our next How Your Mind Works call. It's free and it will change your life.
If you would like to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel below. Once again, my name is Stephen Dobos, and you can download a free centering exercise. The information is in the description box below.